Welcome, I'm David Ricks. I'm a personal injury trial lawyer in Rancho Cucamonga and the principal of the Inland Empire Law Group. When people are involved in an accident, they want to make sure they have all the insurance that they need. One of the things that a client may tell me is that they have full insurance coverage. Well, what is full insurance coverage? I consider full insurance coverage enough insurance to pay for all the harm and losses that person suffered as a result of an accident. Let me give you some examples. Let's assume that a person has an accident and it results in something in the neighborhood of $25,000 in losses, including medical expenses, pain and suffering, loss of earnings, things of that nature. The other party may only have $15,000 of insurance coverage. If there was no other insurance available, then that loss would be subject to a $15,000 insurance limit, and that person may not recover all their losses. In other words, they wouldn't be fully insured. But if they had an uninsured or underinsured motorist policy that exceeded the $15,000, let's say an amount of $25,000 or $50,000, then they would be fully covered because there would be enough insurance to cover all the losses and harm that person suffered. Now, when we look at insurance, we look at different things. We look at liability coverage, we look at uninsured motorist coverage, we look at medical expense coverage. And those things are very important to determine whether you have full coverage or enough coverage to protect you from the losses and harm that you suffered. So when we talk about full insurance coverage, we're talking about enough insurance to cover all the harm and all the losses suffered by an individual in a particular accident.